The video this morning is of a GMC Canyon SLT model. It is a 4x4. It has 18-inch Goodyear Wrangler tires on aluminum wheels in very good condition. It has steps to enter the vehicle. It has towing mirrors that are extendable, and they are power and they are heated. It has a fuel-efficient Duramax 4-cylinder diesel engine with a 6-speed automatic transmission.